You can boost your collagen intake without breaking the bank or relying on fancy supplements. Let me explain. I've been diving into the world of collagen and gelatin, and I've come to a realization: gelatin trick is the way to go. See, people often think collagen and gelatin are interchangeable terms, but they're not exactly the same thing. Collagen is like the finished product, while gelatin is the raw material that helps your body produce its own collagen. When you use the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the tools it needs to build strong, healthy connective tissue. It's like providing the bricks for a construction project rather than just buying a pre-built house. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for months, swears by its ability to improve her skin and joint health. She's noticed a real difference in how her body feels, and it's all thanks to the simple, daily ritual of incorporating gelatin into her routine. To learn more about how you can start using the gelatin trick to support your own health and wellness, check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough. If you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and resources to get you started with the gelatin trick.